smell premium.
Yep. All right, folks. First day it's been unleashed out of a winterized state.
Yeah, brought it out of the winterized state. Drove it 2-3 miles down the road.
Yep. Lots of plans this summer. It's going to be one of those good, memorable summers. All right. More next time.